mind and brain, so that the inner freedom of the very strongest must suffer. The game of chess is indeed a noble and ancient one. Believed to have its origins in the Indian subcontinent, it has traveled the length and breadth of the globe and found devotees of every race, creed, and nationality. You can all be very proud of yourselves for carrying on this wonderful tradition. It is indeed a sport that teaches us many skills and qualities on which we can draw in many other areas of our lives. The game requires the patience to study carefully what is taking place on the board and to take responsibility for our actions so that we do not make a rash move which we will later regret. We must be aware of our opponent's strengths and weaknesses and try to anticipate their strategies. And of course, having played so many games of chess, I'm sure you have all learned one of life's most important lessons: how to be compassionate in victory and gracious in defeat. We cannot always be victorious in life, but it is important to recognize and remember that if we strive to do our absolute best and never fail to treat our opponents with respect and honor, we can always be proud of others. A very good afternoon to our guest of honor, Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected in charges and teachers, dear student participants, and our lovely audience. We are all gathered here today for the virtual chess tournament that is definitely going to fill each one of us with feelings of power, self-confidence, and of course, winning spirit. We are blessed indeed to have with us our guest of honor, Mr. Sonik Chatterjee, who has been a Ranji player from 2006 to 2017 and is currently captain in services team and coach in Air Force team. Sir, a warm and hearty welcome to you. Without further delay, I now invite our most honorable principal ma'am and the torchbearer of this flagship of knowledge to welcome our honorable chief guest.
Dear viewers, students, teachers, and all the guests here, and special invitee, guest of honor, Mr. Somik, all my physical education teachers, my supervisory head Gargi ma'am, and the teacher coordinators. So, first of all, I would like to extend a warm welcome to you, Somik, for being here to
Thank you, ma'am.
motivate our students, to inspire them with your presence. So, we are indeed grateful to you for being here because these are very testing times and everybody is busy here and there in the webinars, and because we have to be virtually present in all the areas. Physically we can't go. So credit for this initiation for conducting virtual chess tournament goes to my supervisory head Gargi ma'am and her wing, and the teacher coordinators Pushpa ma'am, Chandra sir is there. Chandra sir is there, I think, who is always taking. He can't join us maybe, and I think Prashant is here, uh, who has guided our students all the time. So I'm really grateful to all the team and my dear students, like those who are doing so well in the school. We have lot of participation from all the students, but because we are now on virtual platform, so maybe the number is less. But even then, students are enjoying this and they're learning a lot. Main thing is like the patience and how to patiently fight on the board. So same way we can fight in the life also. So they are, these are the learning lessons they are having from this game chess, where they are developing their motor skills also, they are developing their mind also, they are sharpening their thinking skills also. So a big round of applause to my team, my school coordinators, for organizing this virtual ever event. I think maybe it is for the first time, maybe in the history of the schools. We were dreaming to have this in the school, in the auditorium on a very big scale. So last year we were discussing about that, but because of some constraints, now we can't do this. But at least this passion is not over, and my students are there, my teachers are there. So, and Soumik, you will be inspiring our viewers. So thanks to all the parents for trusting us, and all the dear students, those who are participating in this virtual event. All the best. Maybe you are a winner or you are not a winner, but You are a winner in a sense because you have participated in the game and you are learning a lot. By participating, we learn a lot. Fail, there is no word fail or like you are not winning. So everybody is a winner in one or the other sense, you can say. So all the best, all the viewers, and thanks to Gargi ma'am and all the my physical education teachers, all the team
Your
for
motivation,
organizing
ma'am.
this event virtually, and special thanks to the guest of honor, Somik. A young person is sitting in front of us who is going to charge this passion more further. So, congratulations and thanks to everyone.
Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you
Thanks,
so
ma'am.
much for your kind words, ma'am. We will now be proceeding with our event.
Somik will say something.
Yes, ma'am. First of all, I thank you, the principal ma'am, for allowing me to join and inaugurate this first ever virtual meeting of chess championship, which is a great initiative taken by your school. I have never seen this type of virtual competition before. So, in this times of hardships and pandemic, as we're seeing this championship or this type of competitions are very good boosters for the children, and especially because chess is a game of mind and brain. There's a lot of involvement of the brain, so it will keep the children mentally agile, and I think they'll be very much preoccupied with this competition also. So I congratulate the organizing committee. I'm sure that a lot of hard work has been put by all of the teachers and the physical education teachers and the coaches, and of course by you, ma'am. So I congratulate all of you, and I wish all the best to all the children, to the students who are participating in this competition. I hope you do well and keep the spirit of DLDAVP Tampura high. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. So just now I have come to know like 210 students are participating. So a good number to start with. So maybe it's going to motivate others also. So later on we can proceed further. So all the
Okay,
best.
can you take over?
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot, sir, for your motivational words.
Thank you very much, Swamik.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Saraswati Vandana is an important Hindu mantra that is recited for music, knowledge, and wisdom. Goddess Saraswati is the authority on academics and the arts. Before we proceed with our tournament, let us perceive the divine dance of Saraswati Vandana performed by Riya Mehta, an enthusiastic student of class 8.
Sa sa ni sa ni ni sa ni pa pa ni pa ma pa ma pa pa ma pa ni da 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 sa pa 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 ni ma ma pa ma pa ma pa ma pa ni sa.
After this mesmerizing and divine performance, let us move towards yoga. Yoga is a correct life science and works when it is integrated into our daily life. It works in all aspects of the person's physical, mental, emotional, psychic, and spiritual aspects. The word yoga means unity or uniqueness and is derived from the Sanskrit word yuj, which means to unite. So, next we have the juvenile but skilled yogis welcoming our guest with their performance.
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो
She is medal holder for
आयो
state
रे
yoga
शुभ दिन आयो आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो शुभ दिन आयो बनने भायो नयो नयो तो रंग ले आयो शुभ दिन आयो बनने भायो नयो नयो तो रंग ले आयो होठों पे मुस्कान गुलाबी लायो रे होठों पे मुस्कान गुलाबी लायो रे आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे
नमस्ते 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 इंडिया नमस्ते 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 इंडिया वो वो ओ वो 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 ओ नमस्ते वो वो ओ वो 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 ओ नमस्ते Bago aho bago aho आओ सोने की चिड़िया के देश में हम हैं फूलों के बेस में आओ सोने की चिड़िया के देश में हम हैं फूलों के बेस में तुम हो मेहमान हमारे तुम रोशन चांद सितारे ये मुखड़े प्यारे प्यारे आए दूर दूर से सारे जादू है तुम सबके फेस में शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई
A wonderful performance indeed it was. Now we have Chandra sir with us. Chandra sir, we are waiting for a few words from your side before we start with our tournament.
I think Shelly ma'am, he has left.
Yes, I would like to address Mr. Chandra Prakash because he is the backbone of this chess tournament, we can say, and he is the person who is looking after this in the school also. So has he left?
Yes, ma'am. I think
He's not here.
he left, ma'am. I think no, he's joined. Joined, ma'am.
Yeah, Chandra sir, please come forward and share few lines to motivate the children. Yes, can you hear me, Chandra sir?
Hello.
Yes, yes, please come forward.
Ah,
Credit
good-
goes to you.
Good
Yes.
afternoon, madam.
Yes, 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 yes.
Madam, thank
So
you.
this is a dream come true.
On your camera.
Thank you. Thank
Yes,
you to
yes.
motivate us. Thank you to motivate us for organizing a chess tournament and organizing a chess classes with the guidance of Gargi madam. This is a very grateful occasion that the school is organizing a chess tournament uh, in the pandemic time. So we are very happy you have given the opportunity to us to help the children, to motivate the children at this time so they can sharpen their mind, they can keep busy with them with the chess. So it's very g- great occasion, and we are
Yes.
thankful to all the physical teachers, those who are involved in all the physical activities, and I congratulate all the teachers who are involved in organizing this tournament, and especially thanks to the children who are taking part in this tournament. I wish them all for a great opportunity. And especially thanks to Principal Madam and Gargi Madam. Thank you, Madam. Thank you.
Yes, now we can
All
go
the best,
ahead also,
students.
Chandra sir, with all the passion, Pushpa, Anshu, like we can
Yes.
organize some inter-DAV chess tournament also.
This we can
Gargi?
organize
Yes, yes.
open
We
tournament,
must,
not only for
Yeah.
we will
Sure,
do
ma'am.
not
this
only
also.
for this we can
Sure, ma'am.
organize
Sure.
it in
Yeah.
Delhi base only.
We will go ahead and
Not
congratulations to
yes.
all the children those who have performed here. They performed
And
very well.
especially thanks to
Your
you, Madam,
activities which
to
you
give
are
us the
all training
opportunity.
them. Very good. They performed very well, Gargi.
Especially thanks to Tushar.
Yeah.
I want to thanks Tushar also, who is putting the best efforts and try to motivate the students towards the chess and giving the right guidance to them.
Yes. Okay, Ji, now
Thanks to
you
all.
can start.
Right, ma'am. So now, since all these protocols are already done with, let's actually get this ball in the court and knock it out of the park. So here I invite our chief guest, Mr. Chatterjee, to present his first move for the chess tournament. So Gargi ma'am is going to share the screen now.
Hello.
After the screen sharing, we'll be having a perfect move from your side. So we're waiting for that. Time the screen will be shared, a perfect move from you to encourage our whole team. Thank you very much for that. We're
Yeah,
getting
sure,
ready
ma'am.
for it.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. That's an honor.
Always a thanks to God for this technology also, because of which we all are together. Stay home, stay safe, but still we are together. Thanks to God for the technology also.
So the first moves have already started with the chief guest. I think now the students have already started playing the game. Shelly, you can share the screen and show how students are playing.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
Now clap everybody.
Gargi, any parent is here with us on this platform?
No, ma'am, no parents. Parents are watching it live, ma'am. Actually, they are with the kids, and match has already started, so they are playing. So, Shelly, you can show how the students are playing the game.
Yes, ma'am. I'm just sharing a screen.
मैडम मैंने भी दूसरे लिंक पे ज्वाइन किया हुआ था.
Good.
हाँ. मुझे बाद में देखा, मैंने मेल लिंक पे ज्वाइन, गूगल मीट पे ज्वाइन हुआ नहीं है, वो डायरेक्ट ज्वाइन हो गया था गूगल पे।
This is the senior chess arena that is going on over here.
Can we see students also?
Names are there. You can see the names, but you cannot see the photograph.
Yeah.
50 minutes left. It's a 1 hour match. Now 50 minutes are left, and the two students who are playing, shall I just read the name? Raghav?
Yeah, it is Kunj Hajai and Raghav. Pratha, Madhya,
Yeah. Yes.
Mihir Jain, Soumya. These are the students who are playing right now.
Great.
And these are the top games.
Great. It's a magic like.
Shall you can
Yes.
show other categories also? Junior and sub-junior?
Yes. I'll just log in. Now this is the junior chess arena that is going on. And in the top games, we have here Aril, who's from Cambridge, then Arnav from Cambridge, Vanya Jain, Ahan Anand, Pakhi Sheva, Daksh, and Rupanya Jain.
Anshu ma'am, you want to share something? You want to say something about the match? You can.
Yes. Before match, I would like to thank Mr. Soumik Chatterjee. And the time the pandemic is over, Soumik sir, you will be called for a cricket practice for students also. Whenever you
Sure,
will be
ma'am.
free, we'll request you to be there for us.
It's an honor for me to join this.
Now, how we are going to felicitate these children, the winners? We must give them some certificates.
Sure, ma'am. Chandra sir, unmute yourself and explain, ma'am, how.
We can provide a certificate later on, like
Yes.
e-certificate.
We
E-certificate.
must give participation,
Yeah.
and winners.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. So, ma'am,
Everybody should
like
get.
you were
Because
saying, like,
it's a historic moment, and they will cherish it's a lifetime cherish moment. Like they will recall.
yes.
In the time
Yes.
of pandemic, we played virtual chess. Yes.
Yes.
When they will grow.
Right. So next tournament we can hold for the Delhi.
Yeah. So
Open
I think
tournament
that
will get
now over. They will keep on playing.
Yes, ma'am. They'll keep on playing for 1 hour. And now we can do Shanti part. And
It will take time.
Congratulations
Still,
to
time.
all the parents once again, wherever they are, they can view us. So congratulations. Great going.
Ma'am, this
Yes.
one it is a sub-junior chess arena, classes 1 and 2.
yes, ma'am.
ॐ द्यौ शान्ति अन्तरिक्षं शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्तिर्ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगं शान्तिः शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्ति ॐ
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Gigi, and
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you.